Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Guide. In today's tutorial, I'll be helping you learn how to sign up for a Yahoo Mail account. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now, in order to sign up for Yahoo, go to your web browser. Before proceeding further, Yahoo is an American web service provider which is headquartered in California. It provides a web portal, search engine Yahoo Search, and services including Yahoo Mail, Yahoo News, Yahoo Finance, Yahoo Answers, Yahoo Map, Yahoo Video, and Fantasy Sports as well. To sign up for Yahoo, go to your web browser and type in yahoo.com and hit the enter on your keyboard. Click on the sign in button located at the upper right from the official website, and in the sign in page, click on create an account. In order to create a Yahoo email account, enter your first name and then your last name. On the next text field, enter your email address. You can choose from the suggestions as well and move on to the next step where you can enter your password. Create a password for your account. Make sure to type in a strong password. If you want to double check your password, click on this shell button at the corner and reveal your password in order to double check it. Now, from the drop down, select your country code, enter your mobile number, and select your date of birth on the next field. You can enter your gender. Since it's an optional, you can skip it as well. Click on the continue button after you are done entering your information. Now a verification code will be sent to the number you just entered. Click on text me a verification code. Wait for the code to arrive. Once you receive the code, enter it on the text field and click on verify. Click on done and you have successfully signed up for a new Yahoo account. To check your mail, click on the mailbox at the upper right, and there you go, you have been welcomed to your new Yahoo account. You can pick a theme from the suggestions below to make your inbox look more attractive. Click on the next button and you can add another inbox from the options. And you can even download the app on your desktop, and that is it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.